Hey, it's Mark with Metal Tech 4x4 out here in camp. Just woke up this morning. A little bit of snow fell last night up here in the Central Oregon high desert. Need to throw a little bit of fuel in the GX470 to get ready for the trip home. And to do that, we're gonna do it a little interesting. Hands are cold. Let's get fuel in here as quick as we can. So I'm gonna use a system here that a lot of people may not have seen before, and it's a great one. So the back of our 470 has our Pegasus bumper on it, which has 2 fuel cans on there. And the advantage of this is that the fuel cans are higher than the fuel tank. And on the GX470, like a lot of Toyotas, the filler is right by the fuel cans. So we don't actually have to pull the can out to fill it. We can use the jiggler and do a transfer just with a simple jiggler system. So we carry that actually on a 1-inch piece of PVC that's hidden up on the truck. So if I reach up here and I pull the slip-off cap, hidden behind here is the jiggler. I've had this one for a while, so it's obviously kind of changed colors a little on me, but that's where this at. We'll pull it out here in a minute. I'll show you how we use it. I'll take the jiggler, drop it in here, and now it's down here to the fuel area. Jiggler's up there. Got this just right there. And all I have to do is just jiggle this a little bit to prime it. Once the priming is done, it's going to start fueling on its own. And it's actually got fuel going in, and the jiggler itself, you can hear the ball of the jiggler kind of hopping around in there. But I'm just going to let the truck fuel itself up here while I make myself some coffee and get a little bit of breakfast. So anyway, that's a fuel system for filling on the trail here. And all the carrier is just a piece of 1-inch PVC that's actually zip tied under the rack. And then the one end has a cap sealed on it, and then the other end has the cap where it just slips off. And then I use a little piece of 550 paracord that I just put on the very edge of the jiggler so I can yank it out easily. But when I'm done, I'll be able to put that away, and it stays clean, but then all the fuel vapor and smell and all that's on it stays outside the vehicle. And obviously it's very inexpensive to make, just using a piece of PVC and 2 caps. So anyway, we're still filling up, but that's how it is.